Hey you guys, my reborn sunshine here. So I'm here with Babies of Miracle today, you guys, for Theme Thursday. And I'm very upset with Babies of Miracle today, you guys. You'll find out very soon why. But anyways, look at her cute outfit. Her cute sleeper. I really don't have too much yellow for Babies of Miracle, so I had about 1 or 2 yellow outfits, and this the only thing that I knew, that she looked cute in. So yeah, she have a cute sleeper on, have stars. Gray stars, yellow stars, white stars. And over here say Sweet Dreams with a little chick on the moon. So I think that's so cute and adorable. Look at her. Look at her little red cheeks. I love her little lips, you guys. They are so beautiful. Love her lips. But anyways, and she have a cute sippy cup, not sippy cup, but her bottle here. Look what I'm upset with Babies of Miracle about, you guys. Yes, she had a little temperature tantrum, you guys, and turned her bottle over, and it wasted. Very upset. So this is her bottle here. It had some Pedialyte in it, and this yellow as well with a rabbit on it. But I'm very upset, you guys, because I just opened this blanket about a few minutes ago. You guys. Literally a few minutes ago. It's brand new. My mom just bought it a couple days ago. See, guys, had a paper here. Brand new. My mom just bought it, and Babies of Miracle messed it up. So mad about that. But anyways, I love it still. My mom said it can be cleaned, and why she will use some awesome and get that clean, because I really love this blanket. So yeah, I love the edges and everything, how it look and stuff. So mine a little spot, you guys. I'm very upset with Babies of Miracle, and she know it. So yes, I am. So yeah, I just love the edges of this blanket. Very beautiful, and it's thick too, perfect for the winter time. It's not very thick, but it's thick. Like the receiving blankets, you guys, like put 3 receiving blankets together. That's how thick this is. The little thin receiving blanket, put 3 of them together, and that's how thick this is. So I think it's perfect for winter time. So yeah, I'm very upset with her about that. Let me look in water eyes. You know you did wrong. But yeah, you guys. Oh, something else y'all didn't know about Babies of Miracle. When I got her for Christmas, which was 2014, her artist put a little surprise in her for me, and I didn't know it. So yeah, let me show you guys. So did you hear that, you guys? Babies of Miracle have her own crying system in her, but I don't use it like that. My mom loves to press it and stuff, but yeah, I don't use it like that. I use my own sound and stuff when I do things like that. So yeah, she have it's stuck inside her cloth, and you really can't feel it until it's there. So you push really hard and it'll come on. So yeah, and also, you guys, I cleaned out the closet for the baby. So excited about that. My mom helped me with it. Very happy with that. So yeah, let me show you guys what the closet looked like for the babies. It was a long day. It took me like 2 days to finish it, get it clean, because it was in a mess, you guys. Very mess. So let me show you guys the closet. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna give you show you guys. So I'm back, you guys. This is one of my closets. I have 2 closets in my room, so this is a double closet. So yeah, my mom helped me clean it up. That's my baby car seat down there. She have a bouncer as well. I'm gonna put the bouncer in here too. That's her car seat thing. I got to clean up there because it is a little junky. So yeah, I got to clean up there. This is her clothes, all of her clothes, and the baby clothes. A lot of clothes, right, you guys? Lots of clothes. And this their bin of clothes as well, basket full of clothes, and that's my bin of clothes down there. And I held this little thing up. I love it. It's really for your shoes, but I turned around and made it like this. So yeah, really love it. So I'm putting my baby blankets, all in these things. Fill them up with blankets. I did have a chance to fill them all up because I got tired. But yeah, these what the blankets and stuff look like, you guys. So I'll see you guys later, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed what Babies of Miracle have on for Theme Thursday. Love you guys. Hey everyone, we're cooking some fried Oreos, and they looking good. So yeah, we have our Oreos and all this stuff there, and my mom cooking a few more. So yeah, so ready to try them.